Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. Once you do that, on your screen on the bottom you can see there's Home, Projects, plus Sign, Templates and Pro. You have to select Pro at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you can see there's a 10-day free trial option right below Design Like a Professional and Details. Tap on it. Once you do that, on your screen you can see at the bottom there's Start My Free Trial. Make sure you read the details given on the screen and tap on Start My Free Trial. Once you do that, they're gonna give you information about the payments, and after you read it, next tap on Start Trial and Subscribe. It might take a few seconds. You can see you just have to double click to subscribe, or you can also give your iCloud login detail to confirm it's you paying for the Canva Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.